Children, we have learned today Standard 5th subject English. Chapter name is Lots of Things Together. Lots of things together. Read aloud and copy the phrases in your notebook. झील के फ़िक्रों को बुलंद आवाज़ से पढ़िए और अपनी बयाज में नकल कीजिए. A flight of birds, a flock of geese, a flock of sheep, a group of trees, a pack of dogs, a swarm of bees, a colony of ants, a herd of cattle, a group of children, a team of players, a crowd of people, a bundle of clothes, a bundle of sticks, a bunch of flowers, a bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes. A list of names. A row of children. A chain of flowers.
Flight of birds, a flock of geese, a flock of sheep, a group of trees, a pack of dogs, a swarm of bees, a colony of ants, a herd of cattle, a group of children, a team of players, a crowd of people, a bundle of clothes, a bundle of sticks, a bunch of flowers, a bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes, a list of names, a row of children, a chain of flowers. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more educational videos. Thanks for watching.